Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Earth and Space Sciences test? This is test number 5572. Praxis 5572 is an exam with several subtopics. This problem set covers the subtopic of nature and impact of science and engineering. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Which of the following characteristics common in most personal protective equipment, PPE, prevents liquids from soaking into the material? Surface tension, oxidation stability, polymers, or dexterity? Let's start with dexterity. This refers to the ability to manipulate objects easily while wearing the PPE, not its resistance to liquids, so we can cross that out. Now with surface tension. This is more about the properties of the liquid rather than the material itself of the PPE, so this is incorrect as well. Oxidation stability. This refers to the material's resistance to degradation from exposure to oxygen, not its resistance to liquid penetration. So this too is incorrect. Now we have polymers. Many PPE materials are coated or made with polymers that provide a barrier to liquids, preventing them from soaking into the material. These can include materials like rubber, plastic, or synthetic fibers that are designed to be impermeable. Surface tension is a characteristic of liquids affecting how they interact with surfaces, but it does not describe the intrinsic properties of the PPE material. Thus, polymers are the correct characteristic as they are integral to the material design of PPE to prevent liquid penetration. Problem number 2. Which of the following steps of the engineering design process involves creating a model to test the concept? Building a prototype, researching and brainstorming, testing and evaluating, or finding possible solutions, starting at the bottom. This step involves identifying potential design solutions, but does not include the creation of a physical model. So we can eliminate that. Testing and evaluating. This step involves assessing the prototype's performance, but not the creation of the prototype itself. So this is incorrect as well. Researching and brainstorming. This step involves gathering information and generating ideas, not creating a physical model. So we can cross that out also. Building a prototype. This step specifically involves the creation of a tangible model or sample of the design to test its functionality and feasibility. So this is the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following types of water pollution occurs when the pollutants enter the subsoil and into the aquifer? Direct pollution, diffuse pollution, surface pollution, or point source pollution. Beginning here. This refers to pollution from a single identifiable source, such as a pipe or a ditch, and does not typically describe pollutants seeping into the ground over a wide area. So we can eliminate that. Surface pollution. This refers to pollution that affects the surface water bodies like rivers, lakes, and oceans, not necessarily reaching the aquifers. So this is incorrect as well. Diffuse pollution. This generally refers to pollution that occurs directly into water bodies, not specifically through subsoil infiltration. So we can cross that out as well. Direct pollution. This type of pollution, also known as non-point source pollution, occurs when pollutants are spread over a wide area and seep into the ground, eventually reaching the subsoil and aquifers. So this is the correct answer. Problem number 4. Which of the following historical figures is credited with being the first to use ethical principles to describe human behavior? Aristotle, Isaac Newton, Hippocrates, or Galileo? Galileo is known for his contributions to astronomy and physics, not for ethical philosophy, so we can cross that out. Hippocrates, he was known as the father of medicine. He focused on medical ethics, the Hippocratic Oath, rather than a broader ethical framework for human behavior, so that is incorrect as well. Isaac Newton was known for his contributions to physics and mathematics and not for work in ethical philosophy at all, so that is incorrect. Aristotle. He is known for his extensive work in ethics, particularly in his writings like Nicomachean Ethics, where he systematically explored the nature of ethical principles and their application to human behavior. And so this is the correct answer. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of nature and impact of science and engineering for the Praxis 5572 Earth and Space Science exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.